Welcome to this evening's Lit Ledger. Let's engage. All right, as you saw, there's a super sale going on. Right now, there's over 16,000 L bonds available. Community, do what you do. All right, let's get to it. All right, we already been through the Schwifty. We already understand that Schwifty tree is it. It is the foundation. It is the roots to the entire Droplit ecosystem. And we go clockwise. We have LitX, the decentralized exchange, Lit Estates, which is going to be crypto and real estate marriage, the Lit Chain, SoLit, Sun and Wind Power, Lit Station. We have no idea what it is. And there's still some that are, I need to put another one down here that we have no idea about. We know they're in the lab, and Paris is in the lab, but they're being tight-lipped about it. We already know LitX, the decentralized exchange. Now, again, with the referral bonuses, as you can see here, it goes anywhere from 10 to 50% based on staking so many of the tokens. But the question is, are we going to have LitX tokens, or we're going to stake GDS, or we're going to stake Lit? So many questions. And we already know the governance is coming. The Zyber token, like I said, are we going to have a separate LitX token? It's going to be, or we're going to have Lit and GDS. We have to wait and see. And again, legends, do what you do. Just stay ready. Go ahead. And the benefit is, as you're stacking your Lit and BUSD LPs in the pool, you're still earning GDS. So it's really a win-win situation, because it's not like it's sitting there. So, of course, the more LPs you have, the more you earn, even if you're only earning 1%. So it's all good. The 1% a day of $1,000 worth of LPs is still $10. It's all good. But just stay ready. Again, DeFi Escrow is going to be the head of Lit Estates. We already know the Schwifty pool. We know that we're going to have the ability to stake our GDS and don't have to sell the GDS to take profits, because we already don't sell the Lit. We won't have to sell the GDS to take profits anymore, because we'll earn BUSD and use that to take profits. I don't know what to say about CoinMarketCap. They're just terribly slow. All right, let's go out here to Droplit.money. Went straight to the bond room because the bonds are available. There's 19,207 for sale. I am going to get some, but first thing I'm going to do, I got to be quick about it because they disappeared so fast the other day. Let's go ahead and do all these claims. I'm going to take all my Lit and convert them over to L bonds, take the GDS and stack it into the, well, I guess you can't really do anything with it in the water bucket, but I'm going to have my GDS there just to make sure I'm ready when it comes back. Okay, let's go ahead and get all this GDS here. I forgot to look at how much I had in it, $24. I need to write it down. All right. Because I know the community understands the assignment and the legends understand the mission. And it's what, 1 o'clock? I'm going to see how quick those 19,000 disappear if it does the same like it did the other day. Because they were gone quick. 5 hours was 19,917, I think, bonds. Okay, so we got that. Let's go to the water bucket. Claim that $5 in Lit so I can use that as well. Take all of it. Okay. All right, now let's see what we're working with. Let me write my numbers down here. Gotta add here. So $5.68 in Lit. Okay, so now let's see the wallet here. See what we can get. Token. We have $20 in Lit, so we're getting ready to convert those over, and we have $40 in GDS. Let's do what we do. So go to the bonds. So 19,000. So let's go ahead and purchase here. Like I say, I'm going to increase. Here we go. And accept. All right. So it took care of that. So see, got me some more bonds here. So this should plus up to almost 225 bonds. Exactly. Now to the water bucket here. So even though it's reduced, I'm going to go ahead and plus it up anyhow and get my GDS up. I'm in the accumulation phase. So while it's down to $134 right now, let's go ahead and put it in there. So I'll probably do that the rest of the week instead of doing anything else with it. It really depends on the bond situation, because I can't buy L bonds if they're not available. But believe me, when the warehouse, I keep saying the warehouse, when the hardware store is offering L bonds on the super duper sale, best believe I'm going to get some. Even if I only get 25 at a time or whatever I have available. And I can do that without investing any money, new capital. All right, so this should go up from 716. I think we had like $40 in there. I don't know if I can catch it before. I think it's already gone. Yep, the GDS is already gone. So 716. Okay, so let's go over it to the dashboard and see what we're working with. All right, APRs are still, that's what I'm saying. The APRs 1.46, 1.19, 1.39, and 1.01 for the lit BUSD. Then the boardroom down here is at 1.06, but that doesn't matter because it's not going to be running right now due to the fact that we are under peg. But it's all good. Like I say, hey, anticipation, patience. Like I said, this is the time to build. But again, this is an individual endeavor. This is what I'm doing. Do what's best for you, your family, and your family's finances. All right, legends. I think that's it for right now. Let me go back here, just check on the bonds real quick. Yeah, see, we just 313, 300 just disappeared like poof. All right, I'm gonna keep track and see how long it takes to disappear. All right, back to the ledger. All right, now we're back. And we can see our percentages for the day. Now, due to the fact that the water bucket is no longer running right now, it's actually, we'll just say it's empty. I'm going to go ahead with just the 4 pools are going to pay 1.252%. So it's still not bad. Like I say, you're still earning. It's just, it doesn't matter whether we're under peg or not, we still earn. And that's what you have to understand. Of course, we like it when it's like this over here on the 14th, the 13th and the 14th of March. Of course, we want it like this. So if you're in the 4 pools plus the water bucket, you're earning even higher percentage, the APRs, but we take what we get. We already know about the ELF bonds. Now, this is really in effect right now because we are under peg as of me making this video. So like it says here, the lit token is currently under peg, as we know. To help with the balancer, purchases of the L bonds are made. To purchase L bonds, you will require lit tokens purchased from PancakeSwap. The boardroom does not print lit when below $1.01 total weighted average price. Staking here below $1.01 total weighted average price will not generate reward. So just remember, even though you saw me leave my GDS in the water bucket, I understand that I am not generating reward. However, if I want to earn rewards on my GDS, what I would have done is taken my 5 GDS tokens, went to PancakeSwap, and sold half my GDS tokens for BUSD. Now, see, that's what's different is the fact that if I'm selling the GDS for BUSD, it's all good because BUSD is a stable token. So if I have, we'll just say $500 worth of GDS tokens, and I sell $250 and put it into the GDS BUSD pool, and the $250, I'll still have $250. Now, the thing is, the other $250 is going to be in GDS tokens. So as the GDS goes up, I'm in profit. So these are the individual endeavors that you have to partake on your own. You have to figure out what's best for you, your family, and your family's finances. Like I did that last time. Well, not this particular last time, but the first time it went under peg, that's exactly what I did. I pulled all of my GDS out and bought more GDS BUSD LPs. So that's what I'm saying. You have options. That way you continue to earn. Then when it goes back, you can always sell your GDS, or excuse me, your BUSD, put it back together with, well, let me rewind. Okay, now we're back over peg. GDS is up to $200, we'll just say. So now what you would do is withdraw from the pool, take your BUSD, go to PancakeSwap, convert it back to GDS, take it and put it back in the water bucket if you choose. It's all good. Just options, legends. It's always about options. So here again, if you're going to purchase some L bonds, go to the PancakeSwap and purchase your lit tokens. Then once you have your lit tokens, click on purchase here. It's going to pop up and you're just going to tell it how many L bonds you want to purchase. That's it. Once you say confirm, it'll populate over here. It'll say how many L bonds you have. So that's the first thing. Now, that's first step. Second part. Now, like Paris, who's the developer, said that you want to sell your L bonds back to Droplit in epochs. So if you have 1,000 L bonds, you don't want to sell all 1,000 in one shot. You want to sell 250 in this epoch, next epoch 250, and so on and so on. However, part 3 or step 3, you may want to wait, especially for my legends out here. At 120, when you redeem, you get a little bit of a bonus. But that's not all. But wait. Depending on how many bonds you bought the bonds at 50, 60, 70 cents. Okay, well, you know what? We're not even going to go with that. We bought the bonds at, of course, it's going to discount. We say 70 cents. And for this example here, so you bought 1,000 L bonds at 70 cents. It cost you $700. Now, you got them in your wallet and you're being patient because patience is the key, as we see here. Now, what you want to do is don't wait till $1.10 or 20 cents or $2. You want to be patient and wait. Just think about waiting until the L bonds hits $25, because it has, as you can see right here. The lit token was $5.72. The GDS was $11.95. The L bond was $25.86. Now, I'm not giving any financial advice, because if you want to, you sell whenever you want to redeem. Redeem when you want to redeem. It's just that simple. I know what I'm going to do. So here, the legends, when the opportunity comes again to purchase the L bonds like there is today, you can go to the hardware store, that's the bonds room, and purchase your lits at a massive discount. Get in where you fit in, not financial advice. Now, you have your L bonds in your wallet. The other legends know, max and relax. Now wait your time until it reaches your price. This is your price, your individual endeavor price. Well past the 120. $2, $3, $4, $10. What about the $25? Like I said, we've been there before. So that's on you. The legends don't rush. The legends act legendarily. You rush, again, you get your little bit, $1.20 profit per bond you got. Or the more patience you have, you get more money. Do what's best for you. This is your endeavor. Don't do what I'm doing. Do what you need to do. All right, we already know the balancers kicking in, the L bonds, which are purchased by us, the buybacks by the bot. So like I said, there's 16,874 L bonds available in the store as of me making this video. The current stats for Droplit is the TVL is at $1,183,407. The lit token is at $1 even, so we are still under peg. The GDS token is at $132.42. The L bond is at the same $1, so it's even. We are on the 241st epoch, and the total weighed average price is $1.03. That's it. And again, please maintain the mindset. If this is your first time seeing this video, let me break it down to the last compound. Now, especially this is a perfect time. The lit token is currently under peg, meaning it's under $1.01. So you have the ability to go to the hardware store or the bond store, purchase some lit tokens. Instead of getting lit at $1.02 or higher, you get to get it at a discount, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 cents. You can redeem for more lit when it goes back above peg. You could take advantage of this opportunity. The more you purchase, the more lit you'll have to stake, the more GDS you have to earn. So now you purchase your L bonds. We're at $2. You sell your L bonds. Now you've redeemed them, and now you have more lit to stake. So now you take your lit, and you can pair it up with any of the pools that you choose to do, however you want to do it. But remember, because we don't sell the lit, we only sell the GDS in order to take our profits. So now you have your lit tokens, because your lit tokens are your tools. Here you get better tools at the hardware store. So if you purchase this regular L bonds, think of it as the pickaxe. But if you go over here to the hardware store where it's on sale, you can go in there and get a backhoe at the same price as a pickaxe. So that's essentially what you're doing. Now, once you stake that, you're going to earn even more GDS, because you need the lit tokens in order to mine the GDS. That's it. And then, like I said, this is what we're mining for, and you can take your profits every day, once a week, whatever you decide to do. This is the mindset. The community understands the assignment. The legends understands the mission. All right, to taxes, LittieBot, we know what the LittieBot does. Pause for the cause. If you're new and it's the first time, please go out, check out the Community Protocol series on Droplit. It explains the mission, what it is, how it works, all the different strategies, the COPs, which are your circle of prosperity. Okay, well, I earn some GDS in this particular pool, so I'm going to take this GDS and put it into the water bucket. Now out of the water bucket, I'm going to earn this lit. So I'm going to take this lit, move it over to here, and combine it with some BUSD. Or whatever you're going to do. Those are what you call circles of prosperity. Drop gear. The Droplit gear is here. So now instead of just feeling lit and being lit, now you can look lit. Go to the Droplit.xyz shop, purchase you some lit gear. I got to give it to the community. We are the emotionless investor. And believe me, it takes a lot of skill to get to this stage in your investment career. You're not panic. Oh, somebody said this blue or this shade of blue, even though you know it's really green. You do what you do. You don't follow the herd. You take a look, step back, breathe. You don't make rash decisions. Did the fundamentals change? Did the contract change? Did the community Did the team change? Did they do something wrong? Whatever it is. Okay, at that point, once you make your analysis, not my analysis, not anybody else's analysis, you need to make your analysis, because whatever your decision you make from that point on is your decision. If you decide to move on and you lose out, that's on you. If you decide to stay, whatever happens, it's on you. So either way. And again, the community understood the assignment, the legends understood the mission, and here we are. Like I said, even though we're under peg, we still earning more than 1% a day. Again, this Friday, Late Night Lit Talk, hosted by Moonshot Max, with Mo Crypto 777, Rock 8, Crypto Tiger, S Crypto 101, Drip to Wealth, CV33, myself, and of course DeFi Proof pops in. Paris pops in if he's not tired or he's not in the lab. Baby Compound pops in. And we just have a great time. The benefit of being there is the ability to confer with the community. We give away some drip. We give away some lit. We give away some GDS. This Friday, I know we're going to be giving away at least $100 L bonds. So tune in this Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. And as always, this is for informational and educational purposes only. This is never intended as any type of financial advice, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm here just sharing everything to keep you lit from the lit ecosystem during the Lit Ledger Ecosystem Report. And always, legends, always, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Please stay lit and always engage.